Hey my lovelies, I thought I had recorded this, but apparently I haven't. This is how to do manip stacks. So I have got a few example ones on my custom orders and that I've done for myself, and it was requested and I know it is on my to-do list, and like I say, I thought I'd done it, but apparently haven't. So you're going to get your image size that you want up. This is 5 by 7, so 500 by 700 height, and then you are literally just going to find the screen caps you want. So I'm doing one for a personal page, just to show you how easy it is. Ideally you want them to match up per se, so the one that I'm using is obviously going to be a Klaus one. This will be Klaus and in this case Desi. So you're going to use the screen caps that you want, and I'm going to nab, I'll show you how to do this one first. So you're just going to resize your images as normal. I'll pop that one in the middle. You don't have to be pedantic with this to begin with, because like I say, we're going to manip it. So we'll put Klaus there at the bottom. Like I say, don't worry about positioning or size at the moment. And then I need to find one for Desi. So I think this is the scene that I was going to go for, but I can't remember if I actually picked one or not. I want something to go with the scene as well, so I might go with that one. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see if this is going to come out miniature. Oh no, pretty good. So, oh, I think it's just a fraction out. That's fine. So what I'm going to do to make it blend, I'm actually going to duplicate my Klaus scene. If I can get this to work actually. Depends, because I've actually got a picture of Aurora in it. I need it the other way round, if that makes sense. So there's a picture of him, like the back of his head. Oh, that's not the scene I want. Yeah, this would be easier if I had a picture of his back of his head. Damn you, Klaus. That one might work though, because I can man her in there. Right, okay, so this next one. Paste. Oh, I done a bit too small. No! Leave that probably. This is where it gets all sorts of fiddly. I mean it, like it really does. Let's take that one away. We'll keep that scene. Drag that down. Let's drag these two down. Oh, there we go. It's like not having it to me with me. And then we're gonna flip. Put that there. Put Desi on top. This is where I'm gonna have to enlarge her a bit, which I didn't really want to do, but it shouldn't be an issue. You're then gonna use your lasso tool and cut her body out. I think I cut too much of her hair off. Yeah, I think I might have. I'm just controlling J in that. She's actually a little bit too big, because I just want her like in the background. And then you're going to use your brush. And smooth out the edges. I'm actually going to try and find where his jumper sits over. because naturally she should be behind him, like so. And then again, I'm just going to go around her hair. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but you'll get the gist of what I'm trying to do. I mean, it might work out, we don't know yet. And I'm doing this with minus the finger that's taped up, because I caught it earlier, but we should be fine. And I'm making this more of a disaster to her hair. There we go. And then I'm just going to do the little bit over here where it's a jumper or a jacket, like so. I am going to then get a black brush and just go like around her so it's like almost a shadow. So she's like meant to be there, if you get what I mean. I'm also going to sort that picture out because apparently that picture doesn't actually fit properly, like so. And then I'm going to make her a little bit more red on the colour tone because he's a bit more red. Probably a bit too much. Oh, there we go, like a bluey purpley kind of colour. And then here I'm going to manhip her again. So this is where I need to find another image of her. I need to find a sideways one, ideally. It doesn't have to be, but it would be better. This is when I say that sometimes side ones are better. Or, not side ones, what I'm trying to say. You need to really like think about the clips that you're using. We could potentially use one of these. Or even one of these ones. Right, let's try this one. I think this might not be the right angle. But we can play around with it. That's the fun of editing. Well, it might work. Again, get your lasso tool, or I'm going to use a quick selection tool. And it cuts some of her hair off again. And her jacket. Just going to shrink that a little bit so she fits in with like the original image. And again, we're just going to go in and neaten up those edges. This one's not too bad actually, to be fair. That image, that was quite a good choice. Maybe she could be like walking away or something. I don't know. I'll figure out the text. Again, we need to change her colour balance, so a little bit more bluey purpley colour. Might even change the darkness on that because I did brighten up a little bit. Like so. So once you're happy with it, obviously you can merge visible. I wouldn't flatten it, and you can obviously move things around. I might actually leave it that way and do it black there. Then obviously if you want to, you can flatten it, you can topaz clean it. Oh, that's not the one I like. There we go. And then sharpen it. Then when you're happy, you can get your PSD up and your tagging. So this is just going in line with a storyline that I've done or I'm doing. Oh, why is that 127? Oh, and I can't spell saved. Maybe my box should have been a bit bigger, or my text goes a bit smaller. I can't actually see where my box is. Is that bad? There we go. We'll do it that way for now. Just so I can see where the box is. Change the colour of that. We're going to make that like a greeny colour. Leave that like that. And then might even change that font potentially. Depends. Let me invert that. I'm wondering if I should change that, or maybe I should make it, I don't know. I don't know. I could, to be fair, just tag it like down here, but I don't know. Find the PSD that you want to use. See if this one works. It does, but it's not really snappy. If no one knows what that means. It's just me edited. Just me being very OCD about my edits lately. I don't actually like that. Let's try my favourite one of these ones. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I've got it. I've got it. And then go like that. I'm going to remove this. If I can do some quick enhancements on this by playing around with some layers. Obviously it's just preference. Some people might prefer a different style. It's completely your choice how you want to do these. I feel like she's got too much colouring, and yet clouds on the bottom is like really dark. And then like the top layer, I just feel like they're both too yellow, orangey or yellowy, if you get me what I mean. If you get me. Wait, what was that? A little bit less. So yeah, something like that. And then you can obviously, if you're happy with it, then obviously you can save it, or you can add some more effects, completely however you want to do it. Again, it's your design, so you can play around as you see fit, as always. Don't know the fact that I've just ruined that bit, but hey, it's cool. So yeah, there you go. That is how to do a manip stack basically. The same applies pretty much with 2, 3 tiers, whatever you want to do. So if you wanted to do a 3-tier one, I mean, I can show you one of my examples, it might help. So like this is one that I done for my own page. All I done again on that was literally just find the clips, lasso tool out and stick her on basically in Jake's place, Jacob's. So with this one, I actually, if you zoom in far enough, you can't see I can't zoom in on here, but on the original image, I actually just used the blending tool, so the smudge tool, and just blended it in, so you didn't see the outline. And it's as simple as that. This one again, I just put Danielle's face onto Bella's. As simple as that. So yeah, I hope that helps. Any problems, do let me know. But I hope that makes sense. And I apologise for not uploading this sooner because, like I say at the beginning, I honestly thought that I had uploaded this. I hadn't. So yeah, thanks for watching. And any questions, do let me know.